The all-new 2026 Audi A7 has arrived, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. With a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, and performance that redefines luxury, this Audi might just be the perfect sedan. But is it truly the best in its class? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Now, let's get started. The 2026 Audi A7 boasts a striking front fascia that instantly commands attention. Audi has completely reimagined its iconic single-frame grille, making it more aggressive and seamlessly integrated into the car's aerodynamic body. The digital matrix LED headlights not only enhance visibility, but also project customizable light patterns on the road, an innovation straight out of sci-fi. Audi's signature Quattro-style sculpting gives the A7 a confident stance, while the sharper air intakes improve both cooling and aerodynamics. Moving to the side, the 2026 Audi A7 continues to impress. The elongated silhouette is a testament to its sportback heritage, blending the sophistication of a sedan with the practicality of a hatchback. The flowing lines and muscular fenders give it an athletic stance, while the frameless doors add a touch of elegance. For 2026, Audi introduces flush door handles for improved aerodynamics, and the side mirrors are now digitally enhanced cameras, reducing drag and providing crystal-clear rear visibility. At the rear, the full-width OLED taillight bar gives the Audi A7 a futuristic appeal. The animated lighting sequences welcome you as you approach, creating an unmistakable presence on the road. The redesigned rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets hint at the power lurking under the hood, while the sculpted trunk lid enhances aerodynamic efficiency. Audi has also introduced a new active rear spoiler, which automatically deploys at high speeds to improve stability and reduce lift, ensuring a planted feel even at highway speeds. The 2026 Audi A7 comes with a range of powertrain options catering to both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. The base model features a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 with mild hybrid technology, producing around 355 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This setup ensures a smooth yet thrilling drive with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. For ultimate performance, the highly anticipated RS7 Performance Edition is rumored to pack a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out over 650 horsepower. Every model comes equipped with Audi's latest air suspension system, ensuring an ultra-smooth ride without compromising agility. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit straight from the future. The cabin is wrapped in premium Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and open-pore wood accents, making it a true luxury experience. The dashboard is dominated by a tri-screen setup. The 12.3-inch virtual cockpit serves as a fully digital instrument cluster, providing stunning animations and customization options. The 14.9-inch OLED touchscreen handles infotainment, navigation, and climate controls, while the 8.6-inch lower display is dedicated to climate settings and features haptic feedback for a more intuitive experience. Audi has also upgraded its AI-powered voice assistant, allowing you to control everything from climate settings to navigation using natural speech commands. New for 2026, the A7 features full Level 3 autonomous driving, meaning it can handle highway cruising with minimal driver intervention. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Audi A7 is expected to start at $78,000, with the high-performance RS7 model exceeding $125,000. Given its cutting-edge technology, powerful engine options, and ultra-luxurious interior, this price point seems justified.
I just wish you knew.
The 2026 Audi A7 is more than just a sedan, it's a statement. With a futuristic design, class-leading tech, and electrifying performance, it stands tall against competitors like the BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe and Mercedes-Benz CLS class. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting car reviews. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll take a closer look at another game-changing car. See you next time.
I just wish he knew.